Let's understand the scope of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence enables machines to learn from data, make predictions, and improve tasks like recommendations, language translation, and image recognition, making everyday activities easier and more efficient. So, why is artificial intelligence important in today's world? Smart technologies are reshaping industries by automating tasks, improving decisions, and offering personalized experiences, making life safer, more efficient, and connected. Next, let's explore the types of artificial intelligence. Basic AI, specialized for specific tasks, limited capabilities. Advanced AI, learns and adapts across multiple tasks. Future AI, potentially surpasses human intelligence and creativity. Reactive machines, react to situations without memory or learning capabilities. Limited memory AI, uses past data to improve decisions and actions. Self-aware AI, concept of machines understanding their own existence and emotions. Let's move on to the advantages and limitations of artificial intelligence. Advantages of AI: efficiency and automation, data analysis and insights, 24/7 availability, precision and accuracy, personalized experiences, enhanced safety. Limitations of AI: lack of human intuition, struggles with understanding human emotions and motivations. Dependence on data quality, relies on accurate, high-quality data. High costs and resources, expensive to develop and maintain. Privacy concerns, data collection raises security and privacy handling issues. Job displacement, automation may lead to unemployment and reskilling needs. Limited creativity, lacks true creativity and original human innovation. Next, let's explore the scope of artificial intelligence in various industries. Healthcare, diagnoses faster, personalizes treatment plans. Finance, detects fraud, automates trading. Education, personalizes learning, automates grading. Transportation, optimizes traffic, powers self-driving cars, enhances safety. Retail, predicts preferences, personalizes shopping, manages inventory efficiently. Manufacturing, streamlines production, predicts maintenance, improves quality control. Now, let's discuss how AI impacts job markets and workplaces. Job automation, automates tasks, increases productivity. Demand for new skills, data analysis, coding required. Emergence of new roles, AI specialists, ethics officers needed. Hybrid work environments, AI enables flexible schedules, efficient remote collaboration. Impact on job security, automation may replace jobs, new opportunities arise. Increased productivity, AI handles repetitive tasks, boosting strategic creativity. Future scope and potential. Advanced learning, AI personalizes education, improving learning outcomes. Sustainability and the environment, AI optimizes energy, reduces waste. Scientific discovery, AI accelerates research, solving problems. Healthcare advancements, AI improves diagnosis, treatment, and healthcare accessibility worldwide. Smart cities, AI optimizes traffic, energy, and public safety. Agriculture innovations, AI enhances crop monitoring, irrigation, and yield predictions. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.